Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing some silver that I received from SD Bullion, and make sure you guys stay tuned on this video, alright? Make sure you guys tune in very good because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a silver giveaway. So guys, make sure you watch, but let's start now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys want to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. No question of the day today, guys, but I do want to let you guys know the rules for this giveaway. So make sure you watch all of it. There's going to be some random picture that just pops up. So you guys want to make sure you are aware because there's going to be some random picture that just pops up real quick. You may want to pause the video to actually look at it, and when you guys get all of the words, it's pretty much going to be words, and when you guys get all the words, just comment the words down in the comment section in the right order, of course, and get 1 ounce of silver that I'm going to show you guys in a few. All right, but let's start opening this thing up. So I did purchase this from SD Bullion. Want to show them some support. Let's see what we have here. So let's open this baby up real quick and see what we got. All right. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So first of all, we do have 4 buffaloes. 4 buffaloes, and there's a reason I start off with this. You guys see the buffaloes, they're beautiful. It's real nice, one of my favorite coins. And the reason I like buying this is because it's sort of cheap in a way. All right, it's real cheap to buy. I love the details of the buffalo. For some reason, I just love it. Not just the fact that it's cheap. I do love the design on there somewhat. If I were to give it a number, I'll say it's the 9th design that I actually love and adore. All right, so we have 4 buffaloes right here. And guess what, guys? The reason I chose this one first is because one of these guys, one of these beauties are going home with you. So remember, if you guys want to win the giveaway, all you got to do is make sure you tune into the video, capture all the images that's just randomly just comes up. So you got to watch the whole video, and it just randomly pops up, and you guys just got to take the words from each picture and then put it down in the comment section the right way. And you receive your chance to win one of these buffaloes. But you guys know how I like to do this. I like to encapsulate every piece of silver that I actually have. So I take out my capsules right here. Oh yeah. And I put it in there. Now I know what you guys are saying. Oh no, don't touch the silver. Don't touch the silver. Yeah, I know. I don't care. But anyways, let me just put it there, get it all aligned. I like these capsules because they're easy to come off, unlike the other ones. See guys, technically, I don't touch the coin itself. I just touch the sides, just the side. And I put it in there and I lock it away. Now, some of you guys may say, hey, why am I putting them in capsules? It's because I like to keep them all clean, and that's it. That's the reason. Anything that I'm going to be keeping that I'm not going to be melting down, I like to just put them in capsules, and that's one of the reasons why. So let's take this one out right there. There you go, and put that in there. Boom. So far, I, for myself, just gained 3 buffaloes, but someone is going to win this one. So guys, make sure you watch the whole entire video so you guys can get your chance to win. Who doesn't want some free silver, right? And all you guys got to do is take some words that I post randomly on the video, and then you guys just make sure you put it in the right sequence of order, and you guys comment it down in below. Come on, I mean, it's easy. All right, so I have 3 buffaloes right here, and I have one that I'm going to give away. We did that. Let's move that to the side real quick, and let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. So I did love this coin right here so much. I saw it, and you know, I'm a Leo. My birthday's on August 20, just in case anybody wants to know. August 20, 1989. I did want to buy this right here, this beautiful lion piece right here. Silver roaring lion 1 ounce coin. Now this is a coin you guys can see right here. It has the queen on the back. Beautiful coin. I just love it. I just love it. And plus the fact that it's a lion, and it is 2019. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a capsule on that. You guys know I'm all into coins right now. Not really that much, but I do purchase at least 3 to 4. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I did say I'm gonna get in between 4 to 6 coins this month. So I'm gonna be adding more to my coin collection. But before I used to just focus on rounds, and we guys can see I'm still gonna be focusing on rounds. Don't get me wrong. I do have some rounds here. but this is just real beautiful. Put that aside with my other ones here. And then I also have the silver Bigfoot 1 ounce round right there. You guys look at it right there. It's real beautiful. And to be honest with you, the Bigfoot is all nice. It looks real cool. I mean, the designs on there, you guys can see it. It looks real nice and real beautiful. Like, just the detail to the Bigfoot is real beautiful. But what I really like about this coin is the back, or is it the front? I'm not sure. I think it's the front. Most likely is the front. The design on there is real beautiful. You guys see the 1 troy ounce on there, and it has like little dots on there, and it has 0.999 fine silver on there. I really love this one. This is I think this is the only one I have, and I'm gonna be keeping this. I mean, it isn't round, but I am gonna be keeping this. All right. I don't know. I think I'm a collector now. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I do like it. Put it in this capsule. Put that on the side. Now, this one, I just wanted just to get. I just wanted it just to get. Now, I do have the Trump campaign 1 ounce round. You guys can see Donald Trump right there. It says 2016. It has a beautiful eagle on the back. And it also have Make America Great Again, 1 troy ounce. I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Now, this one, a lot of people may disagree with this. A lot of people may agree with it. But guess what? Guess what, guys? I do not talk politics on this channel. So we're not talking about politics at all here. All right. But I do like the coin. I do love the coin. Some people may not like it because of what it represents, or some people may like it because of what it represents. But I do love the coin. All right. Just wanted to get it. Just to get it is real beautiful. Hey, I don't mind. I like it. Now, last but not least, I do have a queen beast, the bison queen beast. Now, I do know I have the lion, and I wanted to get, I don't know, for me, I just want to have all the collections. To be honest with you, I have no idea how much I paid for it, but it was nice. It's 2 ounce, and to be honest with you, I don't have something that would fit it, so I have to go on Amazon just to see if they do have anything on there. But as I take it out, I just want to see, is there any milk spots on there? From what I'm seeing, I don't see any. Let's just switch this side over. From what I'm seeing, I don't see any milk spot on there. And matter of fact, going through every last one of these coins here, I'm not seeing anything at all. Looks all nice. So pretty much I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of silver right here, but I'm technically keeping only 7 of them because I have this one going to one lucky winner out there. So remember, guys, throughout this whole video, there's been some random image. I'm pretty sure there's some that popped up already. So if you got, all you guys gotta do is pause the video, make sure you get the word that the image contain, and comment it down, all the words, all the images on there. To be honest with you, I really can't explain more than that because I haven't even seen what the words are. I haven't even come up with them yet, but I'm pretty sure during editing, I'm gonna actually put the words on. All you gotta do is put them in the right sequence of order on down in the comments, and whoever does that gets to win. But there is a catch, there is a catch. If you ever won any one of my unboxing video giveaways before, you guys cannot play. All right, I want to give chances to more people. I want to give more opportunities. Somebody who hasn't received any silver from me before, someone who hasn't won any silver from me before. So let's be respectful. Whoever gets it, I mean, if you get to see the picture and you know you want something already, please don't comment it down below because you're just giving somebody else the opportunity to actually win the silver. But I want them to work for it. So please be respectful and mindful on that. But let's just recap right here. So I have this, let me see, this queen beast right here, this 2 ounce queen beast, but this is the bison. I love this one. I got the lion, I have the bison, and I'm thinking about maybe this one. This was a last month purchase. I'm thinking about this one. I'm gonna get another one. I just don't know yet. I might get the what is that? The pony they have. The pony, yeah, maybe. Who knows? We also have the 1 ounce Bigfoot round. We have the Trump campaign, Make America Great Again silver round. We have 3, technically 4, but I'm giving this away. 3 buffaloes, and we also have the lion, the Leo, because I'm born in August 20, 1989, and my sign is a Leo, so I love lions. That's why I bought the Queen Beast lion, the first one, all right, because I love lions. That's just my sign. For some reason, I'm fascinated with lion. That's why I want to watch The Lion King when it comes out. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I know, it's kind of confusing. I told you guys, hey, I'm not buying silver like 2 days ago, 2 to 3 days ago, but yes, I'm still buying silver. But this right here did not come from my cash. This right here did not come from my cash, but I do want to explain something on that video as well. I received a comment by saying, some people like I'm not saying that I came across as bragging on that video when I'm like, yeah, YouTube buys my silver for me. I receive the money from YouTube. I'm not saying that YouTube buys the silver from me. The money that I receive from YouTube, I use that money to buy silver, and then I'm saying, yeah, I can buy silver like this and like that. But there's some people who may have some disability who can't do what I do, or you know, who probably sees it as, hey, I'm bragging. And I want to say, if I did offend anybody like that, I do want to apologize for that. That was not my intentions. Nowhere near close to it. It's just I want to be transparent with my viewers. I don't want to be the guy who's like, oh yeah, you know, I'm not making money at this. Hey, if I'm doing this, I want you guys to know that if I'm doing this, I want you guys to know, hey, you can do it too. All right, you can do it too. So I'm not coming off as bragging. I just want to show you guys. I want to be transparent. This is what I love to talk about. If I'm transparent with you guys know the real me. I'm not hiding nothing from you guys. I want to show you guys everything I do. I want you guys to know how I do stuff, and I want you guys to see if you guys can do it too, because I'm more into the motivation game. If I can motivate somebody, there's tons of people who says, hey man, hey, I saw your video and I'm motivated to actually buy silver now. That's stuff I love to hear. You know, it's not saying, hey, oh, there's certain stuff that you can do or you're not allowed to do. I don't want that to come across as, hey, you know what? Hey, you can't do it, but I can, so I'm gonna do it. No, that's not my point. That's not my reasoning behind this. If anything, I just want to motivate each and every last one of you guys to possibly just think outside the box and not set limitations on yourselves. All right, but that's pretty much all I have. So hopefully you guys caught the image on there. Hopefully you guys caught the words, put it in the right sequence, and then comment down below, and you guys will be the winner. I just want to say good luck to everybody. But guys, thank you so much for watching another unboxing video. Every time I do an unboxing video, you guys, or someone, there will be a lucky winner of silver. All right, but that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel already, and have a wonderful day.